The U.S. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in Florida: Citrus County, Hernando County, Marion County, Sumter County, Lake County, Orange County, and Polk County for the danger of severe weather including tornadoes, thunderstorms, golf ball-sized hail and potential flooding. This warning is in effect until June 8, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Citizens of the previously mentioned counties are advised to seek immediate shelter in a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Follow evacuation orders if given for the previously mentioned counties to avoid injuries or fatalities. We thank you for your cooperation.